In this video, we talk about autism, and this is a autism. It's a spectral disorder we call ASD. And my name is Maria Silva. I'm hospital administration in Brazil, and here I student at BIU Idaho online. So my goal is to have a human self bachelor degree. And here are signs of autism. They avoid eye contacts, line up objects, need to routine, hyper-passive behaviors, overall undersensitive, loves favorite objects, need more rest and respect. And you can check more information about autism on the website. And stimuli and autism. The autistic child have a personal area. The something it's so easy for us common situation like uh, go to the mall, go to a story with large flow of people. For the kids or person with autism, it's like very stressful. People with autism are very sensitive to all stimuli they receive from the environment around them. When they receive too much sensory input, they can feel disoriented, overwhelmed, and very stressful. It's necessary to understand that when a child with autism has a tantrum, it is always because of something make the situation hard for him or for her. But it's not because the kids want to get attention, but because something make the situation hard for this kid. And the three function levels of autism is ASD level 1 when the kid uh, have difficult initiation social interaction, organization and plan problems, and can happen independence. But the level 2, the social interactions is limited and narrow, special interests frequently restricted, restricted and repetitive behaviors. And the ASD level 3 require very substantial support. Severe difficulty in verbal and non-verbal social communication skill, great distress, difficult change action and focus. But I would like to remind, doesn't matter the level. My child have level 1 and I might have level 2. Doesn't matter. Every kid has a diagnosis for autism, need to be careful, to be respected, to be more precautious with this kid because they need special care from as a you can call normal life or it's not exactly this word but for offer more quality of life. And I call this autistic rights. And the first one, respect your lines. The second, you need make the kid happy and loved. And the last one, support your personal project and apply your gifts and talents. because every autistic person has something special to teach us. Autism, it's not disability, it's a different ability. You can saw the kids laugh, play, and doing everything they want. It's no have like a target in your kid. His or she has autism. So you need only precautions and help others to understand. This is it's not disability, but it's different ability. It's more sensitive and special person. I love this uh, things about always unique, totally interesting, something mysterious. It's like this you can give a definition for autism because I put in here two pictures about the brain and show a simple hug. This is a kid you can say doesn't have autism. When you hug, they control the emotion. When the kid have autism, you can see here sometimes he's he is probably irritated with the simple hug because he can't control. And I separate here in my slide some kind of activities you can also improve your child's attention span. It's a coin rooming. It's collect a set of coins and place a piece of paper on top of them using different colored crayons. Rub the crayons together until a coin partner appear. Uh, Children with autism will enjoy make partners, and we will also develop this hand-eye coordination skills. And it's so interesting when you saw kids doing activities like this with art. And create a sensory collage. It's make a college together that help express how they feeling. And it's the same when they drawing something, and you can motivate it after this they show for the some family members. It's good for the kid. Poetry can help them understand the world around them. The goal here is release and accumulate thoughts or emotion. Drawing, I said before, is another way to express the self, himself or herself without using words. And cooking and baking. It's an amazing activity with children who have autism because they learn to follow directions and to learn about food. If your children is a visual learner, create images that represent each step. They can follow the new recipe, and you can introduce the new one each week. It's good for him or her. Say the another kind of things. It's so amazing. Make a lot of progress with kids. It's music. Science it stimulated both sides of the brain. Music is a common tool used with autism therapy. Music encourage um, they grow and like um control the behaviors, stimulate interaction with another person, and doesn't matter. They they use an instrument, they learn how use the instrument, they sing or dance. This is help stimulate the sensorial system while improve the motor skills. And the another thing is physical activity. It's beneficial to encourage physical activity such as trampoline or swim. Young people with autism improve motor skill, uh, like fitness levels, encourage social function, and increase mass strength. The start with short time, and then you can use like different times, like walk with the dog, uh, go to the park, go to school if possible, walking in, yeah, different kinds of the activity during the day. It's good for physical activity from this kid. And the last one is, I think the most important, is create a routine, building a productivity framework for this kid, uh, with physical activity together, and putting this maybe a visual schedule can be effective for the autism child. They love routine. They love to know what what which activity they doing and the time. They love this thing. They love a routine, and create a routine. It's so important. And here I have the website, and you can email to talk about autism. And I love this poster from the campaign. They say time versus love equal early diagnosis. Prevent and care are the best medicine. And the last one, I prepared this video dedicated for parents, caregiver, teacher, health professional, and society to alert and seek to know, love, and respect the autistic. What makes you different? It's what makes you beautiful. This is the important, special message for to be different on this world. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.